morning, this is Anjay. Welcome to English class. Kiyaanu. Assalamu alaikum. My students, viewers, listeners. आज हम एक टेंस फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं। फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो है ये कॉमनली बोलचाल में फ्रेजेस इसके आते हैं और इन्हें बड़ी जामे तरीके से, बड़े आसान तरीके से इन्हें प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है और एकेडमिक, हायर एंड अपर क्लासेस में भी फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस को पढ़ाया जाता है। फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो है ये आने वाले वक्त के बारे में इंडिकेट करता है और आने वाले वक्त में जो काम शुरू होगा उसके बारे में हमें मुफस्सिल तौर पे आगाही देता है। फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस रिफ्लेक्ट्स एंड इंडिकेट्स एंड डिनोट्स द वर्क continuity in the coming times, in the future times, and the phrases related to this particular tense are taught in higher and upper schools, academies, and these phrases also commonly spoken in communication. Let's see these phrases and the examples of future continuous tense that shows that the verb in continuation in the coming times, in the future times. Let's start our today's lesson, episode number 564, behind on the whiteboard. The first statement you see, my students, you see that he will be reading, he will be reading, he will be reading, he will be reading. वो पढ़ रहा होगा, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. He will be reading, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. And she will be reading, वो पढ़ रही होगी. We have a contrast here. वो पढ़ रही होगी. So she will be reading, she will be reading. वो पढ़ रही होगी और he will be reading, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. We have a contrast in English and Urdu, so both ways we can speak it. He presents the male, singular male person, and she presents the singular female. So she will be reading, वो पढ़ रही होगी, and he will be reading, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. You see that with singular subjects, with singular nouns and singular pronouns, the will be added, and after will be we have to add the first verb form including ing. So he will be reading, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. Same as she will be reading, she will be reading, वो पढ़ रही होगी. He will be reading, वो पढ़ रहा होगा. And she will be reading, वो पढ़ रही होगी. This particular phrase, these particular phrases denote and reflect that the verb will continue in the coming times. Verb will be in continuation in coming times. Let's see the next phrase of the same construction, future continuous tense. You see, my students, next one is they will be smiling, they will be smiling, वो हंस रहे होंगे. They will be smiling, वो हंस रहे होंगे. They will be smiling, वो हंस रहे होंगे. Here you see, my students, they is a plural pronoun and a subject in this statement. Will be is a helping verb and smiling is a noun, and the phrase is वो हंस रहे होंगे. They will be smiling, they will be smiling, they will be smiling, they will be smiling, वो हंस रहे होंगे. This sentence also reflects that the verb will be in progress in future time, in coming time, and this is the future continuous tense. फेल मुस्तकबिल जारी इसे उर्दू में कहा जाता है। फेल कहते हैं ज़माने को, मुस्तकबिल कहते हैं आने वाले वक्त में, और जारी कहते हैं जो काम तसलसल से हो रहा हो उसे जारी कहा जाता है। सो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस मीन्स फेल मुस्तकबिल जारी, एंड वी हैव सीन द 3 sentences, 3 statements in this same tense. Let's proceed to the next one. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज शी विल बी हाइकिंग, शी विल बी हाइकिंग, शी विल बी हाइकिंग, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। शी विल बी हाइकिंग, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। शी विल बी हाइकिंग, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। शी विल बी हाइकिंग, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। You see my students, she is a singular pronoun and it indicates the singular female, and will be is a helping verb, and hiking is a noun, hiking is a verb, hiking is a verb, and वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी is a statement, and in English she will be hiking, she will be hiking, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। and next phrase you see here, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। We shall be resting, we shall be resting, we shall be resting, we shall be resting, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। You see my students, we is a pronoun and a subject with for plural males or females, and after that we have a shall be. So by rules, if we have a we subject, then we must write shall be instead of will be. We shall be resting, we shall be resting, we is a subject, shall be is a helping verb, and resting is a verb. वो हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। We shall be resting, we shall be resting, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। Hey my students, she will be hiking, she will be hiking, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। She will be hiking, she will be hiking, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। In this statement, she is a subject and will be is a helping verb, and hiking is a principal verb here. Hiking is a principal verb, and the phrase is she will be hiking, she will be hiking, वो पहाड़ों पर टहल रही होगी। And next statement we see here is they will be resting, we shall be resting, we shall be resting, we shall be resting, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। You see that we is a subject, and after we must write shall be, not will be. We shall be resting, we shall be resting, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। We is a subject and shall be is a helping verb, and resting is a principal verb. Resting is a principal verb. So we shall be resting, we shall be resting, हम आराम कर रहे होंगे। Let's go to the next statement. आइए अगली स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं। Next is you will be teaching, you will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You will be teaching, you will be teaching, तुम पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You will be teaching, you will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You will be teaching, you will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। Once again you see that you is a second person and a pronoun, and used as a subject in this statement. Will be is a helping verb, and teaching is a principal verb. आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You will be teaching, you will be teaching, you will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। Hey my students, this is a beautiful phrase. You will be teaching, you will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You will be teaching, आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे। You is a subject and a pronoun second person, and will be is a helping verb, and teaching is a principal verb. Teach के मानी होते हैं पढ़ाना, so teaching is a principal verb in this statement. Let's go to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is I shall be working. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I shall be working. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. Hey, my students, in this particular statement, you see that I is a subject and is a pronoun. It's also known as a first person pronoun. And after I, by rules, we will add shall be. We will write shall be, not will be. So after we and I, we have to write, we must write shall be as the rules say. So I shall be working. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I is a subject, shall be is a verb, helping verb, and working. Working is a principal verb. I shall be working. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. Hey, my students, this is a future continuous tense. We have seen 5 or 6 statements in this tense, and it indicates all the statements, all the sentences indicate that the work will be starting in coming time, in future time. Let's repeat these sentences once again. आइए इन जुमलों को एक बार फिर से दोहरा देते हैं. First one is वो पढ़ रही होगी. She will be reading. She will be reading. वो पढ़ रही होगी. She will be reading. वो पढ़ रही होगी. She will be reading. वो पढ़ रहा होगा. He will be reading. He will be reading. वो पढ़ रहा होगा. He will be reading. He will be reading. वो पढ़ रहा होगा. And वो पढ़ रही होगी. She will be reading. Next is they will be smiling. They will be smiling. They will be smiling. वो हंस रहे होंगे. They will be smiling. वो हंस रहे होंगे. And next is she will be hiking. She will be hiking. She will be hiking. वो पहाड़ पर टहल रही होगी. She will be hiking. वो पहाड़ पर टहल रही होगी. And next is we shall be resting. हम आराम कर रहे होंगे. We shall be resting. We shall be resting. हम आराम कर रहे होंगे. We shall be resting. हम आराम कर रहे होंगे. And next is you will be teaching. You will be teaching. तुम पढ़ा रहे होंगे. You will be teaching. आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे. You will be teaching. आप पढ़ा रहे होंगे. And last one is I shall be working. I shall be working. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. I shall be working. मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा. Hey, my students, these are very important phrases, and this is the future continuous tense we have seen today. We have made a practice with the sentences of future continuous tense. Please memorize these phrases and sentences. I wish you all the best. See you again. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.